Can you play the guitar?
No, but I can sing.
That's nice. Can you sing?
Yes, I can. I like singing.
Hi, Mom. Do you usually play badminton with your friend after work?
Yes, I do.
Do you never badminton at the playground?
No, I don't.
Hi, Mom. What did you do last holiday?
I went swimming at hotel with my family.